Hi guys, for today's video we're going to make potato wedges with mozzarella and cheese and KDD cream, of course, and mayonnaise. So this is Helen Tanyamor, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell down to keep updated for more videos from me. So wanna know how I make this? Let's go! We need a potato wedges, KDD cream, we also need cheese, we also need mayonnaise, and also we need the mozzarella cheese. First, we're going to fry the potato wedges. Let it cook. This is only simple cheese, then mix it well. And this time we're going to add the sauce. So after we add the sauce, we're going to add some mozzarella cheese on the top. And we're going to put it in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. So now we're going to put here in the oven for 12 minutes. About 180 degrees. So after 12 minutes,